many occasions, I want to teach my brother SIMBA. I see him carry a Bible and go to church on every Saturday. But when he comes out here, he misinterprets the Bible about forgiveness. I want to tell him, personal ID theology, and I understand what the Bible talks about forgiveness. We need to forgive our brothers. But when you will hear Paul SIMBA saying that I cannot forgive, that forgiveness belongs to God. Sasa, I want to ask him a simple question. Wewe unasoma Biblia gani? Ya China ama ya Biblia gani? Ya Africa. We want to tell you, my brother, don't be mixed, because we understand you are mixed. You are suffering from what we call culture shock. You don't understand which culture to follow. We want to tell you, my brother, in Kenya, sisi tuko na African Bible that we use. Hiyo yako ya China inasema ati ni Mungu peke yake anasamea watu. Tunataka tukuambie, hiyo, my brother, it is not in our culture, it is not in the Bible that we read. And then I want to tell him, finally, that my brother, you are the governor. We respect you as a governor, but you are not the head of our families. We have got families that we learn. So those families are our own families, and we feed them. You cannot keep money in the CRF account. You are making the contractors suffer. We know so many of them, including those ones who are even saying that are you friends. They are equally suffering. All of us are suffering. Like when we prepared for this meeting, we understand what you did the whole night. You are calling contractors and telling them, there is another meeting that you are prepared, because that is your meeting, must come to an end. And we want to tell you, we are not cowards. We want to tell you, we are not cowards, bwana. Wacha tukuambie, enough is enough. If you are confused, get out of that office. Go to Motondo and do what you want to do. We have got enough brains. People who can come and serve in this country, in this county. That is what I wanted to say. Thank you so much. And let God bless Kisii. Kisii is our business. We are here, and we are going to face him head on.